I don't know if it's gonna end up exactly where I want it, but I think it's gonna end up where it lands.
Woo, just hit the woods on the North Ridge. It's beautiful up in here. Very pretty. Oh, dadgummit, ran over a branch. This was an overflow plot I cut the first year. Very nice. Almost there, a few hundred more yards to go.
Okay, how about that one?
You want that one too?
If we can get it. Here, let me. Sandstone falls apart pretty easy.
Holy cow, it's gonna be a long ride, man. It's got me side heavy, so this track is cutting in the ground, and she is hefty with the ground so soft, but we'll make it. Put some tunes on.
Alright, well I couldn't let Joe keep all the big boulders. If he didn't destroy it too much, it's gonna go right there in that spot. I suppose I should probably measure it. It's like getting Christmas trees out of the Christmas tree farm. They always look bigger when you get them home.
Why are you spraying off the rock?
Because I want to see what's dirt and what is like a dark stone.
All right, so you think you might keep it?
Oh yeah.
Maybe? Okay.
Definitely.
So I didn't totally ruin it.
Only partially.
Partially ruined it. All right, well, sorry about that, but...
No.
And you want to put it over here.
Yep.
Okay, well... I mean, I love the moss on top.
Yeah, I'm going to leave that. Although it's going to die. Because it'll be out in the sun.
Oh, well, okay, maybe. But it's shaded half the day.
Yeah, it's like an oven day.
Okay. Well, we'll start up tomorrow morning.
Well, Joe brought me one of my landscaping boulders when he was digging them up for his pond. I told him to save this one. So we're going to attempt to put it in that little spot right there. And we're going to try and do it without straps. This is sandstone and it breaks. You can see some of it broke off in the front already. So, you know what? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And we're redoing this whole lawn here anyway, so you can tear it up if he needs to. That right there is the front, so we're trying to get it so we can just drop it off, but we'll see how it actually works. I might end up with a bunch of little boulders. Almost. Alright, I got a little dirt in there. Let's see if I can knock some of that off. I don't know if it's going to end up exactly where I want it, but I think it's going to end up where it lands. How's that? At least we don't have any windows to worry about breaking. Oh, you gotta come in. You gotta come in. Yeah, it needs to come in. Push it in. Can you just catch this edge so it twists a little bit? Yeah. Okay. All right. I think that's gonna be it. Alright, take two. A little bit of a divot in the front that I wanted, so we had to put it out there, rotate it, try to grab it again, and one more time. I think, based on how this is going, I think this is gonna be the final drop. Just saying. Alright, I gotta watch my post here. Okay, I think that's where it's gonna end up, like it or not. Yeah, lower your... Okay. Okay, now up. Alright, there it is. I wanted this flat side to be parallel with the concrete, so... Whew. Now I'll wait till you're done with the tractor and then I have to come back out in a week.
No, because we need the twister out.
No, I think we're good. Thank you.
Well, to put a cardboard in, we need to use the fork again.
I think we're good. Alright, well, this is how it's going to end up being positioned. Again, like I said, I wanted to kind of follow along the concrete grooves. So, you know, there's the parallel part here and a little bit of an angle there. Let me back out a little there. This thing is about 5 feet by 5 feet. Doesn't look like that big, but it is. So I'm going to go back and put some of those stones back around it. I'm not sure how I want to do it yet, but it is so hot and so humid. It's only probably 9 o'clock. I've been out here since 5, trying to beat the humidity. but it's already almost 90, so I'm heading in the house.